Good afternoon, everybody. I want to explain you network software today. So, if you need to understand network software, you need to understand these five parameters. One is protocol hierarchies. Second one is the design issues for the layers. Third one is connection oriented and connection less services, service primitives, and relationship of services to protocols. But first, I will explain you protocol hierarchies. So you see what is the meaning of protocol? What is the meaning of hierarchies? Protocol means it is a agreement between the communication parties how the communication will take place. So hierarchies means some structured levels are there in the network. In that structural way, one layer has to communicate with the other layers. So in each layer, there is a leading protocol. Protocols is nothing but rules and regulations. Every layer has to obey that rules and it has to send the information to the next layer. So here you see that host 1 is communicating with the host 2. So host 1 wants to send one message to host 2. So what it has to do? Suppose the message is that my class will be at 2 o'clock. This message I am giving to you and you have to join with me at 2 o'clock. But the same message never goes directly from me to you. How it goes? Because this is the application layer, top layer. Here the original message, whatever I am sending, you are getting. But this message has to be passed through these layers, then through the physical medium, then it has to go to the other end. It's clear. So now what is the meaning of this? That means whenever they started with the communication, they planned with a protocol hierarchies. Hierarchies means number of levels. In this way, the message has to be transmitted. They have to pass through the number of layers. Then it will pass through the physical medium. Then it will pass to the other host. So what happens now? 5 layers are there. You see here between 5 and 4 one interface is there. Then every layer is sending the message to the other layer through the interface. So what happens here? This message whenever is passing to the layer 4 is having some leading protocols. So they will forward the message to the layer 3. Then layer 3 protocols will send to the layer 2. Then it will go to the layer 1. Then it will pass through the physical medium. Then it will go to the other layers and it will reach at the layer the host 2. So now layers means levels only. These levels are decided by International Standard Organization or that is the DARPA. So whoever started the communication system, they have made some rules. In this way, message has to be transmitted from host 1 to the host 2. So these layers, that is not I have not designed and you have not designed, but whenever the communication took place, this principle is made by ISO International Standard Organization, after that DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Project Agency. Is clear? So you have to know that layers means some 5 layers systematically it has been designed to communicate from one system to the other system. So protocols means one agreement, layers means some levels, and in between interfaces are there in which way it will accept the message from the upper layer. So you see here another diagram, the same 5 layers are there, but more briefly it is there. What is the meaning of that? This is my original message, whatever message we are sending to our partner, communicating partner. But whenever this message is going from layer 5 to layer 5 of this other end host, it is not going directly. So this message is going to the next layer. In the next layer, layer 4, one H4 you see here, that means header. Layer 4 is adding one extra header along with the message. Why it is adding the header now? Because whenever the message is coming, layer 4 is adding one header where the source address is written and destination address is written. Along with that, some control information will be there, because this message has to go to the other host, at the other host. Now exactly in the layer 4 in the receiver side, some operation that layer has to do. For that only, every layer is adding one header along with the message. That means here layer 4 is adding one header. Then whenever this message is going to the layer 3, this is becoming our message. Then layer 3 is adding another header H3. Again it is sending the layer 2. Again layer 3 is adding another header, means it is also writing the source address, destination address and some control information. Then the message is going for this layer 2. Layer 2 also is adding on another extra header, then is sending to the layer 1 or this physical medium. But whenever it is passing through the layer 1, layer 1 means I am telling that it is the physical medium. Whenever it is passing to the layer 2, so what happens in the receiver side, layer 2 take out that particular header and then it forwards to the layer 3. Why it is taking out? I am giving you the example. Whenever we are writing any message in a letter form, this letter, what we are doing? We are putting inside a cover, and in the cover we are writing the our to and from. In the same way, whenever the receiver is getting our letter, what he is doing? He is opening that cover, then only he is reading the original message. He is reading the original letter. That is your original message. Whenever it is reaching at the destination now, each header will remove that header, then only they will get that original information. So here you see that in the layer 2 is removing this header and is sending to the layer 3. Only layer 3 in the receiver side host H3 is there and this message is there. Then it is going to the header, that is layer 4. Then H3, that header H3 it is getting removed. It is going to the layer 4. Then that original message is coming here. So whatever you are writing here, the receiving host is getting the same information, but all this processing is happening in between. This is the main cream of the protocol hierarchies. So this is your source machine, this is your destination machine. Then within that, these protocols hierarchies, 5 levels of protocols are there. In this way, your message from the message is getting transmitted and reaching at the destination in this way. So it is like from the sender side, it is like a top-down approach. In the receiver side, it is like a bottom-up approach. So then I will tell you the design issues of this layer. If you need to understand the design issues of this layer, you need to understand these 5 parameters. One is addressing, another one is error control, another one is flow control, one is multiplexing, another one is routing. So each layer, whenever they developed each layer, they design, that is in this way